You know that satisfying pop when you crack your knuckles? Yeah. Ever wonder what the heck that actually is? Some people do it when they're nervous, others just for the noise, and a few of us, total crack addicts, the legal kind. So here's what's really happening. There's fluid in your joints, and when you stretch them, tiny bubbles form and then pop, they burst. And no, it doesn't give you arthritis. That's just a myth your grandma probably told you. It's harmless, oddly satisfying, and totally human. Just maybe don't do it in a quiet room. It'll get you looks. Curious about other weird stuff we do? Hit follow. We break it down, no bones about it.